Hello everyone, today's video title is how to buy gold and where to find it. Gold prices are rising. This graph shows the price of gold over the past 30 years from 1995 to 2025. Gold is often seen as a safe haven asset during uncertain times, and many people may want to own at least a small amount as part of their wealth. So today I want to put together a summary of where and how to buy gold, and I will be introducing it to you. Before we begin, English is my second language, so I apologize if my pronunciation is incorrect. Now let's get started. There are two ways to buy gold: buying physical gold and buying mining stocks or gold-related ETFs. There are also gold futures trading options, but since they are not suitable for beginners, I will not include them in today's video. Let's start with purchasing physical gold, but first let's cover the basic of gold. Gold bullion is purchased based on weight, which units of measurement including grams, kilograms, and ounces. The term ounce refers to troy ounces in this context. A standard ounce is 28 grams, while a troy ounce is 31.1 grams. Gold coins are measured in ounces, while gold bars are grams as their unit of measurement. Larger bars are measured in grams and kilograms. Regarding gold purity, gold with a purity of 99.99% or higher is considered pure gold. For example, this is the famous maple leaf gold coin, which contains various inscriptions providing information about the coin. This gold coin is labeled as 1/10 ounce. Since it uses troy ounces, 1 troy ounce is 31.1 grams, so 1/10 of that is 3.11 grams of gold. The inscription 999.9 indicates that the gold has a purity of 99.99%, meaning it is pure gold. The reason it is written as 999.9 instead of a percentage is that gold trading uses a per thousand measurement system rather than a percentage. Pure gold products are classified as 24 karat and typically bear a 24K stamp. In contrast, 18 karat gold is marked as 18K, indicating a gold purity of 18 out of 24, which is 75%. The remaining 6 out of 24, which is 25%, contains of other metals mixed into the alloy. The type of metal mixed with gold determines its color, resulting in pink gold, yellow gold, or white gold. Jewelry often includes a higher proportion of other metals to enhance its hardness. For example, in Hawaii, 14 karat gold and 10 karat gold are commonly used to ensure engravings appear sharp and well defined. Now let's talk about gold prices. There are two main categories, each with two types of pricing. The first category includes spot price and melt price. The spot price refers to the current market price of gold. The melt price is the amount offered by a shop when we sell gold. The item sold is melted down to extract only the gold. So, for example, if you sell an 18 karat gold necklace, the amount of gold in the necklace is 18 parts out of 24. The shop will buy the gold content at the melt price. Another type of consists of two categories, ask and bid. These terms might be familiar to those who trade in foreign exchange markets. The ask price is the price at which you buy, which is the seller's price. Therefore, it is slightly higher than the spot price. The bid price is the price at which you sell, which is the buyer's price and synonymous with the melt price. It is lower than the spot price. In other words, there are buying and selling prices based on the spot price, and these prices differ from each other. That concludes the basics of the gold itself. Now let's look at buying and selling gold, whether purchasing gold coins, bars, or jewelry. First, let's talk about gold coins. The American gold eagle and Canadian maple leaf and South African Krugerrand are well-known examples. Gold coins have an added premium due to their appeal beyond just their gold value, making their selling price higher. When you sell, whether the coin's premium is recognized in the price or if it is purchased only for its gold value depends on the economic and market conditions at the time. Gold bars are accessible for purchase in small amounts starting from just 1 gram. Since they are easier to produce than coins with lower manufacturing costs and fees, they can be bought at a lower price compared to gold coins. Gold bars available today are protected in card-sized plastic pouches and they come with an assayer certificate. This certificate includes details such as the gold content, purity, and the serial number of the bar. With stylish designs, gold bars are easy to purchase, make great gifts, and are also convenient to sell. However, due to the costs associated with minting smaller bars and the packaging fees for the pouch, they are sold at a slightly higher price than the spot price. The smaller the bar's weight, the higher the buying price. When selling, the buyback price is based on the melt price. Jewelry is significantly more expensive due to added costs such as design fees, craftsmanship, and retailer margins. If your goal is to buy something you like, enjoy wearing it, and sell it later when needed for some return, then I think accessories and jewelries are a good choice. When selling jewelry as gold, the price is determined by the store's melt price multiplied by the amount of gold contained in the jewelry. If jewelry carries a premium, it may sell for a higher price as jewelry rather than just for its gold content, similar to gold coins. This also depends on the economic conditions at the time. Now, where to buy gold? Traditionally, purchasing from local gold dealers has been common, but online purchases have increased in recent years. Additionally, gold can be bought at local coin shops, jewelry stores, and pawn shops. Currently, online is the most common way to buy and sell gold. In the United States, the following companies are well known, making them reliable choices for purchasing gold: American Hartford Gold, MENÜ, Golden Eagle Coins, Bullion.com, Money Melts Exchange, SD Bullion. Of course, there are many other options as well. Naturally, prices vary depending on the company. For those concerned about safety, you can check company ratings and past complaints on the Better Business Bureau. It's a good idea to review before making a purchase. For those who prefer to see the physical gold before purchasing rather than buying online, JM Bullion's website provides information on local businesses and stores that trade bullion. The web address is simple. Just add /local after www.jmbullion.com. A map will appear and by clicking on your state, you can find local dealers. One more option. Since June 2023, Costco has started selling gold bars. They come security sealed in a pouch and you don't have to worry there is no Costco or Kirkland brand on them. You can order them online or purchase them in store. At the jewelry section, there may be a form available or you can ask for one. Simply fill out your name and address, take the form to the checkout counter and make your payment. And then receive the gold from a small secure area outside the register. The packaging does not reveal that it contains gold, so less risk of robbery. The pouches for these gold bars are designed as follows. From left to right, the brands include Valcambi, Switzerland, Mint, Australia, Amp, Switzerland, Royal Canadian Mint, Canada, and Argo Harris, part of the Harris Group, Germany. Even with the same weight, the selling price varies depending on the brand. If you search list of bullion dealers on Wikipedia, you will find the names of bullion dealers from around the world. The brands mentioned earlier for gold bar pouches are listed there as well. Gold bars from these reputable dealers are reliable. However, in online trades between individuals, counterfeit bars that closely resemble the original may exist. Therefore, always ensure that you purchase from a trusted source. Next, let's look at where to buy pure gold jewelry. As of now, I have identified two options, though there may be others. The first option is MENහැ. They exclusively sell jewelries made of 24-karat gold and platinum. Prices are based on the real-time gold market rate, with an added margin called the MENහැ fee, which covers design, craftsmanship, and other costs. This fee is reasonably at less than 30% of the gold price. Additionally, MENහැ offers a buyback service for the jewelry purchased from their site. The buyback price is based on the melt price, which is 10% below the current gold market rate. I have personally purchased jewelry from MENහැ multiple times, and when I log into their website, I can see detailed price fluctuations showing how much the selling price has increased since my purchase. I'm quite fond of my pieces, so I won't be selling them, but seeing prices rise by more than 80% makes me think I should have bought more back then, or maybe I should buy more now if I get the chance. I will include a referral link here. Since it might be a bit difficult to remember, I'll also add it in the description below so you can copy and paste it to search. By using my referral link and registering with the name and email address, you will receive a $5 discount credit. Additionally, when you make a purchase, you'll earn credits ranging from $10 to $50, which can be used for future discounts. Another option is Lowell, operated by Maison Lowell. They exclusively sell jewelry made of 24-karat gold. The margin rate appears to be slightly higher than MENහැ, but they feature make cute designs and the jewelry is designed in Italy and New York. Lowell also has a buyback system for its products. They purchase items at the melt price, which is 10% below the gold market price. I will include Lowell's website address here. Okay then, benefits of buying physical gold. Owning physical gold allows you to see and touch it, giving a sense of satisfaction. Gold bars sealed in pouches are available starting from 1 gram, making them easy to carry, store, and even gift. Additionally, they can be sold when needed. These advantages of buying physical gold. Sales tax applies at the time of purchases, varying by state. Some states are tax exempt. Unlike other investments, physical gold does not generate interest, and if you store it in a safe deposit box, there are maintenance costs. There is a risk of the value dropping below the purchase price. Transaction fees and margins apply to every buy and sell. Selling gold requires extra effort. Capital gains tax may apply to any profit made from selling. Important considerations. If you are looking to purchase a larger amount such as around 1 kilogram, make sure to research thoroughly before buying. Consider factors such as storage fees, taxes, and IRA-related implications. Consulting a professional is recommended. Now let's explore ways to invest in gold without purchasing physical bullion. Those are purchasing gold mining stocks or gold-related ETFs. It is often said that gold performs well when stocks decline. Because of this, many investors add gold-related ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or gold mining stocks to their portfolio as a way to maintain balance and enhance financial security. Some of the most well-known gold ETFs include the following. The names of the ETFs are displayed in white, while the gold-colored text represents their ticker symbols. The first one, Spider Gold Trust, is the most popular, with total assets of $99.1 billion. It stores physical bullion in vaults in London, and its price closely follows the spot price of gold. The second, iShares Gold Trust, also stores bullion in vaults worldwide, and the locations of these vaults are disclosed in their documentation. Each of these ETFs offers interesting investment options, so if you are considering holding gold via ETFs, be sure to research them further. Next, let's explore investing in gold mining stocks and gold-related stocks. Gold mining stocks carry a sense of adventure and history. For example, Norman Corp, headquartered in Colorado, is one of the world's largest gold mining companies. It operates mines in Africa, Australia, Latin America and the Caribbean, North America, and Papua New Guinea. There are many options available, so be sure to research further. You can research on sites like Yahoo Finance. Gold ETFs and stocks are available through brokerage firms and online platforms such as MENÜ, Robinhood, and Public. Advantages of investing in gold mining stocks and ETFs are high liquidity allows for easy online trading. Most ETFs have an expense ratio below 0.5%, making them cost-effective. Using a commission-free brokerage eliminates trading fees. Disadvantage: the main downside is that you don't get the tangible experience of owning physical gold. Summary: there are two ways to buy and invest in gold: buying physical gold, investing in gold-related stocks and ETFs. Physical gold versus gold ETFs and stocks. Physical gold requires costs at purchase, storage, maintenance, and selling. It also involves more effort. However, you can see and touch it, making ownership more enjoyable. Gold ETFs and stocks offer liquidity and can be easily traded online. Most ETFs have an expense ratio below 0.5%, and using a commission-free brokerage eliminates trading fees. That concludes the overview. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed this content, I would truly appreciate your support through likes and subscriptions. Until next time, take care. Thank you so much.